Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will learn how you can install Ghost Spectre using a flash drive, a bootable flash drive that we have created in my previous video. So if you want, you can check that video. I'll give you guys the link in the description. And you will come to know how you can create a bootable USB flash drive using a software or a utility called Rufus, and that can be used to install Ghost Spectre either on your computer or in a virtual machine. So I'll be installing Ghost Spectre in a virtual machine. I have already installed it, but I'll be doing that for you once again so I can show you the process. So the desktop of Ghost Spectre Windows 11 looks like this. When you right click, you get this context menu in which you have ghost mode, which has power options. So you can just right click and apply these changes, and you can use these features by simply clicking them once. And if your computer shows high memory usage, you can just click it once. That is reduce memory, and it will reduce the memory. Then you have God mode, ping test. You can directly run a ping test using this option from here. You can clean temporary files. So if you click on God mode, you get all these features at one place. And you can customize your Windows look yourself. If you just right click on the taskbar and click on properties, you will get these options where you can customize your windows. You can choose what type of start menu you like, and if you want it to be in the middle like in actual Windows 11 or at the left hand side. So what type of tray icons and explorer you want. So just check it, and you can customize your operating system the way you want. And there is a Ghost toolbox. If you see on the desktop, just double click it and you'll get more features. So once you open it, just wait for some time. It may take a few seconds and then it will show up. So you have tweaks and installers. So you can see Windows 11 Pro 23H2. This is the new update of Ghost Spectre, and you get all these features here. You can install Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and any browser which is listed over here. So you can just go through it. I'll just close this, and now we will see the process how we can install it in a virtual machine. Same way you can install it on your computer also. So I have this virtual machine on a Windows 10 PC. I'll just show you. So this is my Windows 10, and I have Windows 11. It was Windows 10, but I have upgraded it to Windows 11. And this is the Ghost image which I have already installed. And this is Ghost Spectre which I have already installed, but I will delete it and will install it once again. So I'll be deleting this Ghost Spectre from my virtual machine. And if you want to delete any operating system from your virtual machine, just keep that operating system selected and then click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Click on hard drive and copy this location. So I'll just copy this location and I'll right click on it and then click on remove. So it will be removed. Now in order to delete it completely, simply press and hold the Windows key and push letter R, which will open up Run window. Paste the location you have copied Okay, after pasting that location, just leave virtual machine and whatever is there next to virtual machines, just delete that and then press enter. So it will take you to the folder where all your virtual machines are installed. So since we are deleting Ghost Spectre, we will click on Ghost Spectre. Right click and simply click on delete, and that will be gone. So this is the way to completely delete an operating system from VMware software. So I'll just close this. And now we will be installing Ghost Spectre. So in order to do that, we will have to first create a virtual machine. So click on File and then click on New Virtual Machine. Leave it like this. Just simply click Next. Click Next again. Make sure you have the third option checked. You can leave Microsoft Windows selected here and click Next. And then you can type a name. I'll just give it a name, Ghost Spectre. And click Next. Here you can increase or decrease the size of hard drive. I'll just leave it like that and select the second option, that is split virtual disk into multiple files, and then click Next. Now here click on Customize Hardware. You can give the memory. I'll just increase it to 4 GB. Click on Processors, number of processors 2. I'll just increase the number of cores per processor, so I'll make it 2. Then click on CD DVD. Just make sure you have use physical drive selected over here, and then click on Close. Now click on Finish. So we have created a virtual machine. So now you can plug in that bootable USB flash drive which we have created, where we have Windows 11 Ghost Spectre image saved. And once you plug that in, you can power on your virtual machine. So when you power on your machine, you will get something like this, and you just need to click on VM and click on removable devices, and you will have to choose your flash drive. So in my case, it is Kingston Data Traveler, and I will click on Connect. So as soon as you do that, your virtual machine will try to boot from that flash drive, and it will show you a Windows screen. So just wait until you see some options on the screen. Okay, now you need to just click on Windows if you see this screen, and you will see setup is starting. Now select the language. By default, it will be English United States. So click on Next. Now you will have multiple editions. You can click on this one. It is Windows 11 Pro Superlight SE. This one is the recommended one. You can choose any one you want. I'll just click Next. Now please accept the license and click Next. Put a check in the box. Click on Custom Install. And since we are installing it in a virtual machine, so we will not have any partitions here. So simply click Next. So in case of a virtual machine, there will be only one partition. But if you are using your actual computer, you may create more than one partition. And now here, if you get this error message, it happens because of the partitions. So just click OK and click on Windows icon once again, and we will go back to same screens. So simply click Next. and select Windows 11 Pro Superlight SE once again. Click next. Now we will see some more partitions. Accept the license. Click on custom. And do you see now we have more partitions. So here, what it did, it has created two more partitions. Now, since we know we have assigned a 60 GB space to this operating system, so we will click this one because it is close to 60. And these are the two partitions which were created by the operating system themselves. So don't choose any of them. Just click on the one that shows more space and then click next. Now just simply click OK. And now installation will go through. Okay, the installation has been completed. Now it is asking you to customize settings. You have an account created already. You need to type a password if you want. I don't need a password, so I will leave these fields blank and I will click on finish. And if you are getting a message to create a Microsoft account or you are getting some other settings, so you will have to check out my other video where I have created the the bootable USB for this particular operating system. Because while creating a bootable USB, you have the options to choose whether you want a local account or you want the installation uh, to complete without prompting you for a Microsoft account. There are several settings. You can check that video also. So it will not ask you for the things you skip from there. And it says restart required. Your PC will automatically restart in few seconds. I will just click on OK. And just let it restart. Okay, do you want the net speed monitor toolbar on your taskbar? So you can, if you want, you can click yes. It will show the internet speed monitor here at the bottom in the taskbar. I'll just click on no. If you just go back and check the beginning of this video where I'm telling you about the features, you will notice here at the bottom right corner that is the net speed monitor toolbar. So I'll just click no here. And now we have successfully installed the Ghost Spectre operating system, that is Windows 11 23H2 update. Now you can see it is not a full screen. It just shows like we are in safe mode. So for this also, you just need to click on VM. In the toolbar at the top left corner, click on Install VMware Tools and then click on this PC. When you click this PC, you will see the DVD drive. Just double click it and it will install VMware Tools. Just click it. It is blinking at the bottom. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Install. Okay, now we see it in a full screen mode. Just let it complete. Now click on Finish. We'll have to restart the computer again, so we'll click on Yes and let it restart. Okay, it has restarted and it takes very less time to restart. So we have successfully installed Ghost Spectre Windows 11 operating system, and that's it in this video. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye-bye.